legal counsel po ni VP Sara Duterte, ano pong isang bagay na gusto po ninyong malaman ng publiko tungkol sa kanya?
She's very different doon sa, I guess, pinoproject sa kanya sa social media.
Diba?
Alam niya kung anong gusto niyang gawin para sa bansa. Alam niya kung anong gusto niyang
Chief
gawin
of
sa
the old
trabaho.
block.
On the personal level, very simple person. Iba siya pag may problema ka, she will really listen. So makakaasa lang kayo that we will not spin anything and that we will just defend the Vice President as much as we can, but we will be objective in terms of what the law is. We will never blur it.
Itong impeachment, without going into the merits,
Of course.
alam naman natin, of course, it's a matter of great public interest.
Opo.
So, lahat ng facets yan is covered by media. Sa iyong opinion as a lawyer, yun bang televised o publicized ang trial? Does it help the defense? Does it harm the defense? Or
I think-
does it help the prosecution or harm the prosecution?
You know, I hope you don't think this is a safe answer, no? But kasi ito yung totoong nasa isip ko. Double-edged kasi
Okay.
na highly publicized ang isang trial. Bakit siya, why does it help? Kasi gusto nating maipakita sa taong bayan, sa mga Pilipino, na walang basehan yung naging mga paratang aligasyon laban sa Vice Presidente for the past, I don't know, 2-3 years. No?
Yes.
But bakit double-edged? Kasi, syempre, nandun talaga yung tendency na trial by publicity talaga yung nangyayari. At as you know now, we have social media. Hindi katulad ng mga previous impeachments. Now, we have social media. So, ibang opinion ang maririnig mo. There are more legal experts than lawyers in the country right now. Diba? So, ang daming iba-ibang opinion na
Marami
maririnig mo.
mga attorney Google ngayon
Siyempre, we're also very cautious and conscious of that. That's why I think it's very important na aside from the social media, tayo, bilang mga abogado, we don't blur the lines. Whether ano ang kulay mo sa politika, let's be objective when we talk about the law sa taong bayan para ma-explain natin na mabuti. That's why I'm saying it's double-edged. Kasi una, mapapaliwanag mo sa tao, yes, pero kailangan naman talaga ng transparency. Pero pangalawa, medyo masasubject talaga ang isang respondent, katulad ng isang akusado, sa trial by publicity. So we're very conscious of that.
Yan. Pero importante yung transparency. Kaso may isang kaibigan ko, advocate siya ng transparency, but for women's clothing daw. Anyway,
Nako, attorney
Sino kaya
talaga.
itong kaibigan niyo na to?
hindi ko nababanggitin. Baka mabash Anyway, Ina, may tinatanong ko sa akin
Oo,
kanina.
marami akong tanong, attorney. Huwag kang
Oo,
mag-alala.
Hindi, may gusto akong lumabas na ngayon na tanong.
Ano
Kasi
ba?
tinatanong mo sa akin.
Oh, sige.
Para sa akin, kung ano mas mahirap. Sabi ko, itanong mo kay...
okay.
Itanong mo sa guest natin, wag sa
Ano
akin.
pong mas mahirap? Sumagot sa media or sumagot sa nanay mo?
Definitely sumagot sa nanay ko.
Talaga?
Kasi bago pa ako sumagot, alam na ng nanay ko yung sasagutin ko. Sasagot
yun
ko,
naman
diba?
pala.
So definitely sa nanay ko.
Sa nanay niyo po. Oh, attorney.
Oo, hindi.
Baka marami ka rin.
Yung nabanggit kanina ni Michael, I'll just call you Michael.
Opo, opo.
Oo. Na yung defense team, na pag-usapan natin. So there are 19 ba na defense lawyers?
16.
16.
16
oo.
yan. Sige
Plus ikaw, kasama ka naman doon sa 16.
Opo, kasama na po.
Oo. Alam naman natin na, well, I speak only for myself. May mga mababait na mga abogado that lawyers have some of the biggest egos in the country.
It's true.
So, how are the dynamics, if you don't mind, in general terms? Paano kung may disagreement with respect to strategy, legal interpretation, etc.? Paano nyo nare-resolve? 16 lawyers kayo.
Natural naman po yan. As you say, diba, you have 10 lawyers in the room, you have 12, 15 opinions. But I think what works is we're working with a law firm. No? Well, may sarili akong firm, but ako lang naman talaga yung main na nasa impeachment. And then, we're working with Fortuna, Narvaez, and Salazar. No?
Yes, oo.
So, since may law firm ka, medyo it's different from putting 16 individuals together. Sa isang law firm, meron ng reporting lines dyan. May hierarchy na, kumbaga. So, we just work within the Fortuna Narvaez system. Siyempre, si Sheila Season, who will be our lead counsel, really, is a partner in FNS. So, siya talaga yung, kumbaga, lahat kami may opinion, but at the end of the day, lahat din kami, kung anong sabihin ng lead firm, no? talagang we will just have to set aside the ego and just abide by kung anong direction ng team. But more importantly, I think everyone is passionate naman sa team to really just parang itabi muna natin yung mga ego natin. Ang kailangan natin dito is madepensahan ng vice-presidente. So, it's easier said than done, but it's easier in our case kasi nga we're working with a law firm na meron ng, kumbaga hindi ka na maghahanap sino magsusulat nito, sino magre-research nito. Meron na. And then it just comes up to us for
May
review.
follow-up lang ako before we go to Ina's question. Nabanggit mo na yung Fortune Narvasa. I hope you don't mind this question. Wala bang awkwardness considering that Sig Fortune is the brother-in-law of the Remulias?
To be honest, wala. Because si Attorney Sig, before the defense team was formed, alam naman natin na yung background niya. And I believe in Attorney Sig. I sat down with Attorney Sig early on and very professional yung tao. No? So siya naman talaga, alam naman natin mga abogado, hindi naman maiwasan yung conflict. Minsan may kamag-anak ka na ganito.
Yes.
No? But very professional naman siya. And I've seen how he's fought for his clients. And I'm confident that, and I've seen it actually, that he's doing the same for the Vice President.
Okay. Ina.
Yes po. Ito po, attorney, curious lang po kami. Bilang legal counsel po ni VP Sara Duterte, ano pong isang bagay na gusto po ninyong malaman ng publiko tungkol sa kanya?
She's very different doon sa, I guess, pinoproject sa kanya sa social media.
Diba? Yeah.
Siguro dalawang bagay on the professional aspect. Very decisive yung
Yes.
ating vice-presidente. No? Alam niya kung anong gusto niyang gawin para sa bansa. Alam niya kung anong gusto niyang
Chief
gawin
of
sa
the old
trabaho
block
niya.
talaga.
Oo.
Visionary.
And when she decides, yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
Very decisive. And you need that in a leader.
Yes.
Yeah, oo.
So, on the personal level, ano siya, very simple person.
And makulit din po. May mga ganun siyang
Makulit,
side.
no? Yeah, makulit. Very
You would
simple
know. You would know,
person.
Ina.
And I think it's really more of, makikita mo siya bilang kung gaano siya kabuting tao, bilang
Sobra.
kaibigan at bilang isang ina. Yun talagang...
Tulad nung ginawa po niya kay Attorney Zulaika Lopez, talagang hindi niya iniwanan.
Ay,
Ah,
grabe
ganun talaga.
yun.
Grabe
Hindi pa
yun. Doon ako
Nakipag-away pa siya.
namangha
Oo.
talaga sa
She
kanya.
really values the people who work with her.
Yes, tama.
And kaya kumbaga hindi ka magdadalawang isip na to stick with her all throughout dahil nakita mo talaga yung sincerity niya sa tao.
Speaking of VP Sara, nandiyan na rin tayo sa topic na yan. Without going to any privileged information, is there any particular conversation na pwede mo i-share sa amin na that has stuck to your mind na tumatak sa iyong isipan with respect to VP Sara?
It's more of the private conversations that we have. Yung
Without
more-
revealing anything to
more on
you.
the personal level siguro. Yun yung masasabi ko. Kasi nga, ang parat kong sinasabi is, iba siya doon sa mga pinoportray sa kanya sa SOCMED or sa TV, yung pag may problema ka, she will really listen. So, pag nagsasabi ako ng problema kong personal, she will really listen, give me advice, and help me accept things the way they are now.
Pati ba love life?
Sinishare niyo po ba ang
Sinishare
love
na
life?
Pati love life, actually.
So pwede din pala siyang
Tama.
love guru din pala.
Love guru.
Love life.
I agree sa sinabi po ni Attorney Powa. She's really a good listener. Naalala ko nung nag-lunch po tayo, Attorney. Talagang nakikinig siya
Ay,
sa'yo.
yes,
Yung
oo.
Salmo 109. Talagang nakatingin si VP Sara sa kanya. Nakikinig po talaga
She's
siya.
talking about yung lunch nung after
Nung
araw ng
araw
Davao.
ng Davao.
Yes.
Yes.
No, but she is. Singit ko lang siguro to. She is.
Opo.
And nung nasa DepEd nga kami, ang gusto niyang gawin is really to go down to the school level para kausapin yung mga teachers kung ano talaga yung problema nila. Kasi nga, may ang laki ng DepEd na sometimes yung genuine concerns hindi na umaabot sa central office.
Yes.
So, yun yung talagang ginagawa niya nung nasa DepEd kami.
Yes.
Well, anyway, may question kami, medyo personal.
Okay lang.
Sabi mo naman may loved one ka. No?
Oo.
Anong mas masakit para sa iyo? Matalo sa korte o matalo sa argumento with your loved one?
Attorney Ferdy, I think we'll both agree. Siyempre, matalo sa argumento with your loved one. Bakit? Kasi sa loved one, wala ka ng motion for reconsideration, final and executory
Wala
ka
pa.
agad.
Ayun. Tama naman.
Do you agree, Ina?
Hindi ako makarelate, attorney. Wala kasi akong boyfriend.
Ganun ba? Ayan na, in-announce mo pa talaga, no? Ayan, naku, lagot
News
ka.
of global significance.
Naku, in-announce mo, maraming magme-message sa'yo.
Naku.
Lagot ka ngayon. Naku ka.
Sorry na.
Anyway, go ahead. Ang daming mong
Oo
inis na
nga,
questions
I also heard, attorney, that you, nag-aral ka po sa Australia.
Opo,
Ay, nga pala, no?
Oo, diba?
for my
What's with that?
undergrad.
Oo.
For my undergrad.
And then
Opo.
you both majored in creative arts and Italian
Yes,
studies. Does
yes.
that also mean you speak Italian?
Yes, yes.
Really?
I
Saan ka
speak
naman
Italian.
dyan, attorney?
Anong gusto mo sabihin?
Halimbawa, nililigawan mo si Ina.
Uy, grabe
Ano
naman. Kamusta lang? Kamustahan
Oo,
lang.
okay.
Attorney naman. Kamustahan lang. Kamustahan lang.
Mamma mia, sei molto bella.
Ano ibig sabihin?
Ano ibig sabihin ko?
God, you're so beautiful.
Wow!
Uy.
No, but yeah, I dito, Xavier ako, and then nung college, undergrad, sa Australia, ako sa Adelaide. Pero maraming salamat po, lalong-lalo na dun sa mga sumusuporta sa ating vice-presidente. You've been with her since day one at hanggang ngayon, kahit sa kabila ng lahat ng mga batikos, no, at kung ano-ano pang binabato na aligasyon laban sa kanya, nandiyan pa rin kayo, at nararamdaman ko yun, no, kasi minsan yung mga tao really approach me just to give their regards to the Vice President and laban lang daw. So, we really appreciate it and I'm sure the Vice President really appreciates it.
Yeah.
Sa inyo siya humuhugot ng lakas, sa inyo kami humuhugot ng lakas. But even to those who might not agree with the Vice President, who might not like the Vice President, siguro ang maaasahan nyo lang naman sa amin is, lalo na ako sa mga interviews, I will remain to be as objective as I can. I will not blur the law. No? Kung may tama namang sinabi yung opposing, sasabihin ko naman tama. Diba? So makakaasa lang kayo that we will not spin anything and that we will just defend the Vice President as much as we can, but we will be objective in terms of what the law is. We will never blur it.
Ayun.
Okay, thank you very much. Well said.